Restorative yoga with props. Welcome to your 1-minute yoga teacher training. I am Angelica. Today we're going to work on Paschimottanasana or forward fold using the bolster. There are a couple of different ways you can use your bolster. I like to have it on its long side so that it's extra high for my students. If this isn't enough, you can always take a block and put it right on top of the bolster. This way the student can rest their head onto the props while they're in the forward fold. As with most restorative postures, you're going to hold this for 5 to 10 minutes. The difference between restorative yoga and yin yoga is that restorative yoga is used to restore after injury or to restore the mind after trauma. Yin yoga works with the connective tissue and is a more stressful type of yoga if done correctly. Light up that follow button if you would like to become a certified yoga teacher. I've got a lot to share with you.